The Malaysian Investment Development Authority says a surge in domestic and foreign direct investments has raised approved investments 44% higher in Q1 2013 year-on-year. CEO Datuk Noharuddin Nordin says first quarter investments are at 49.3 billion ringgit compared to 34.3 billion last year, reflecting Malaysia's competitiveness. Domestic investments made up the bulk, or 62.9% of total investments approved at 31 billion ringgit. This was an increase of 25.5%. At the same time, FDIs grew 90.6% to 18.3 billion ringgit from 9.6 billion ringgit in the previous corresponding quarter.
So don't have the misconception that just because that domestic investment dominate, it doesn't mean that the FDI went down. In fact, the FDI increased at a higher rate compared to domestic investments. So that means that Malaysia is still very attractive to foreign investors within the region.
The investments are expected to create 41,885 jobs. Going further into 2013, Noharuddin says MIDA is confident that the momentum will continue, with the aim of surpassing the 162.4 billion ringgit in approved investments last year. This was the highest ever recorded in the country on the back of realised investment of 139.5 billion ringgit.
We believe that throughout the year of 2013, the encouraging performance of approved investments for the first quarter will be continued throughout the year. And to date, MIDA is actively negotiating potential investment worth 42.1 billion ringgit, which we hope to realise within the year.
He said this during a media briefing to announce MIDA's first quarter performance in Kuala Lumpur on Tuesday.